Kule question sokwenza ama-function then ngibingelela nonke enibuka le video then question 5 lo sokwenza ama-functions exponential graph and inverse yakhona. Then la bathi given the f at x log a where a is greater than 0, this is a is greater than 0, then there is a point S is a point of graph f. This is graph f in the unknown a, yeah, then the value of x, and this is the value of y, which represent this value of x is this value, is any value of x, like it can be this one also, and the value of y is -1, and any other values of y which can be found la kulelo kunjani kule line le graph ka f. Then sebethi prove that a is equal to 3, then go to marks kuphela. Then ukuze siprove ukuthi a alingana no 3 kushuthi kumele kube a yedwa unknown, then lo x no y kumele babe ama known variable. Then singabathatha kuphi u-y no x, kumele sichecke u-y no x aba kuyo le graph of f ibaphi labo y, nangu y -1, then x u-1/3, then kushuthi substitute ke la, then substitute y instead of f at x u-1, substitute u-1 is equal to log, then this is the value of a log a, then a law, then value of x 1/3 kanje. Then mase siconvert ke la sithini ukuze senze a substitute formula, then we'll see a, then this is exponent of a is equal to this one, then uyenza kanje a to exponent -1 is equal to 1/3. This is the base, nala kumele kube i-base ngoba so i-convertive exponent should to a uyi-base, then exponent yakhe kuba ile ngapha, then -1 is equal to 1/3. Then mase kanje sokwenza kanjani ke, then for bathi angithi a is greater than 0, then kusho ukuthi singamenza kanjani ke, singamultiplya ngo-1/2 ama-exponent la ngo-1/-1, nala noma simultiply ngo-1, then nala simultiply ngo-1/-1 or -1 ukuze siyenze ibe positive. Kushuthi la soba nobani lana a wethu ulingana no, then masiconverta lo u3 as exponent kushuthi kumele anyukaze la, then all ngaso sonke isikhathi uma esefika la phezulu umultiply inumber esuke lapho, then isign ye-exponent yakhe iyashintsha, kushuthi sezoba u3 multiply by 1 kuba u3, exponent yakhe u1 kushuthi izoshintsha ibe u-1 angithi, then multiply by le number lenakhe u-1, then multiply by -1, then i-value of a u3 kanje positive. Then equation elandelayo but write down the equation of h, the inverse equation of h musha basitshela ngayo lapha kushuthi musha basibesitshela ukuthi uyi-inverse ka f in the form y equal to, then asimele simtholeke thina kushuthi kumele senze inverse. Then qala iubani engithi inverse soyithola from i-graph ka bashilo ukuthi ka f, angithi kushuthi u-f ulingana nobani qala, f of x is equal to log the value of a is 3x, then for i-inverse with steps sokuqala senza njani, sithole inverse yenye graph, then siswapha ama-values after x and y, then la sesofaka y la sesofaka x, then since y is subject of i-formula as usual ngoba ngithi i-graph iba in the form of y, then sesoswapha ama-value la, then sesiba nobani la isikhathi y siba no x is equal to log 3 of y, then senza njani ke, senza njani lo i-base uhleze i-base, then exponent yakhe kuba ubani kuba ile ngale equal sign, kusho kuzoba 3 to exponent x is equal to y, then 3 to exponent x is equal to y. Sesiqedile, then bathi ayibe ne form of y equal to yeah, it is in a form of y equal to, then ukuthi nje swaphekile kusho ungayimisa nje y is equal to qale ngo-y is equal to 3 to exponent x. So siyenze kanje ibe ne form of y, not ibe ngale form lo f to exponent -1 ingabe kanje, ayibe kanje, then sesiqedile like 5.3 base bethi if f at x ulingana no negative f of x. Determine the equation of g. If g of x equals negative f of x, kusho ukuthini? Bathi g ulingana no f of x, kodwa f of x senjani amavelu ka y wakhe se-negative angithi manje. Shuthi se-negative, shuthi basho ukuthi amavelu of y akhe ashintshile, then sekunesign e-negative. Shuthi bamreflectile, then bamreflectile ngakuphi ukuze kushintshe amavelu multiply u-f of x ulingana no y. Shuthi kureflectwe ku-y kulokho njani kuma-x-axis ukuze y agcine seshintshe sign, cause masimela si-reflecta la, si-reflecta le graph ka-f, masi-reflecta ngama-y-axis izoba ngapha ngathi ibe kanje. Still amavelu le negative ola uchaza ukuthi ama-sign amavelu ka-y asuke khona wonke la njengo-1 seshintshile manje sengenye sign, nalawa la a-positive o-y 3 mhlawumbe 2-3 seshintshile wona seba enye sign. Kusho lokho shuthi sizo-reflecta ngayiphi ama-x-axis ayala ama-y-axis ngoba uzoshintsha ama-x-axis or x kuphela. Ukuze kushintshe y kumele si-reflecte ngalo line lo usezobuya aze ngapha, uzofana nesibuka ngithi sekuzoba kanje. Leli side leli mase-reflecta leli ngama-x-axis lizoma kanje lithi, then mase kanje, mase kuthi leli lingapha lenze kanjani libe kanje. Yabo lawa kade e-positive kodwa manje senjani se-negative o-y abatholakala la kulama point angapha kulo line. Labo y kade be-negative manje sebe-positive, shuthi si-reflecte ngama-x-axis kodwa-ke asikho lapho. Kuthiwa sidetermine u-g of x, then substitute-ke, so g of x is equal to minus, ufake u-minus wabo, then unayo f of x, f of x uzomsubstitute-ke ilona f of x, shuthi u-minus bani log 3x, ukube bekuhama-term awu-2 ku-log 3x plus 7 uzoyifaka kuma-brackets mase uyayifaka yonke khona uzokwazi ukuthi i-multiply log x then multiply nalo 3 ozobe la. Yeah, then sebethi 5.4 write down the domain of G. Uphi G? U-G angithi lesiqeda kumkhanya o-reflective nangu, then ngikhombisile ukuthi ureflecteka kanjani along ama-y-axis. Bafuna i-domain yakhe ngithi, the domain. Bafuna amavelu ka-x lapho khona amavelu kale graph le ka-x wonke yikuphi lapho khona inamavelu ka-x. Ngapha ngithi yabo ukuthi ayifiki ngapha, ayifiki ngapha, but then ungayi-check-a futhi, then uthi minus log uyi-check-e la kuma-negative side ukuthi iyafika yini. Minus log 3, then ufake u-1 la esikhaleni sa-x. Yabo ayifiki kuma-negative, kusho ukuthi i-asymptote yakhona iwubani, ngoba phela i-asymptote yakhona iwubani, ilokhu njani, the vertical asymptote ilingana no-y equal to 0, shuthi ayifiki la, shuthi amavelu ka-x ayo la uyithola khona izoloku i-approacha lo line approacha sonke lesikhathi kodwa ingamthinti. Then shuthi amavelu ka-x akhona awafiki ku-1 kodwa uthi mawuthi uyaphambili kancane from u-0 man, from u-0 awafiki ku-0 kodwa ngale kwa-0 so seyikhona le graph uyayithola inabo ovelu ka-x ngoba mawunyusa uline la uzothola u-x uqondana nepoint elihamba la elithe, then from kuyale then sekhona. For i-domain shuthi o-x abaqala la ku-0 beyale kodwa u-0 asimali, shuthi banjani no-0 labo x bakhulu kuno-0, then kuzoba x greater than 0, x is greater than 0, noma uthi u-x is an element, then leli bracket leli elikanje lisho ukuthi leyo value leyo la siqala khona si-include u-0 so-include, shuthi iqala is from 0 kusho ukuthi asim-include u-0 then up to infinity, positive infinity kuyale ngeke include positive infinity ngoba uyawazi ukuthi uba, then ngakho kuzofaka futhi lona leli bracket Webo include 0 uzofaka square bracket then sewuqedile 5.4. 5.5 let's determine the values of x for which f at x greater or equal to -3. -3 angithi value ka y f of x emkhulu noma elikana -3. Where is -3? -3 ingaba kuphi? Ngoba ku -1 la -3 ingaba kuleli side la. Then lapho singana -3 la. Bafuna khona lapho khona yona i greater than -3. Shuthi then masithi -3 lo is greater than -3 f of x emkhulu kuno -3. Then ngaba into ekanje -3 wethu ngaba yilo. Then uline ungahamba kanje f of x kwebathe x is greater or equal to -3 bakhulume ngo x should le value ka x lena ngoba bekhuluma ngo f of x represent y should bakhuluma ngo y. Then this is the value of y of -3. Bayifuna khona igraph lapho khona inkulu kuno -3 noma ilingana -3 ikuphi ke la izoba inkulu khona noma ilingana -3 malingana -3 isuke ila because -3 uqondana nala naleli point mali kule graph le. Then mayese le graph mangabe sinkulu kuno -3 mawuya le phansi -4 bancane kuno -3 inamba enkulu kuno -3 lezi ngaphezulu ukuze ibe enkulu kuno -3 should kumele ithathe y laba ngaphezulu kwa -3 should thina kumele sithole mbaphi ko x u-x olana should ile point elingaphi from ukusuka la ku -3 uyale usuka la ku -3 uyele igraph leka f ngoba la below u-3 seyincane kuno -3 ngoba seyithathe y aba -4 abancane -3 ukuze ibe enkulu kuno -3 igraph yethu kumele ibe above u-3 shothi kumele ibe la it's from the point leli going further to the right. Kusho ukuthi thina ukuze sithole bathe determine number value x shothi kumele sithole mupho x lapho khona u-y wethu -3 then kuzoba ibaphi ko x abayenza ukuthi ibe enkulu kuno -3 usilingana -3 kuzoba yilo x ola ku -3 kubuye kube yilabo x baphi laba aba to the left in maya kwa to the left yabo to the left uzoba la to the right lo eman lo esimtholile oku -3 u-x lo. Then moya le yabo ukuthi mawu -2 yabo ukuthi seyikuphi seyincane -3 shothi baphi ilaba phambili kwalo x ola ilaba bale to the right because mothatha la u4 yabo still ithathe iyangena kuleli side shothi x abanjani abakhulu noma balingana nalo x ozobula simthola kanjani ku x lapho khona i-3 straight shothi steps oqala kule question uthola u-x lapho khona u-y wethu -3 then suyasho ngalawo x ukuthi from loyo x loyo ke to the right or to the left igraph yakhe enkulu kunale number. Then ukuze sithole i-value ka x then this is the value of y substitute ku f of x this is f of x then so substitute to -3 la is equal to log 3 of x isifuna x then is10 lo manje sohlala i-base nala uzoba i-base because ya convert it exponent yakhe uzobani ile number ngapha -3 is equal to bani is equal to x then uzobani x wethu is equal to x la then x is equal to 1/27 1/27 u0, something inumber encane noma no1/3 iyona x la x is 1/27 1/27 x ola u-x ola 1/27 maps -3 ukuze igraph yethu ibe enkulu kunale number le -3 shothi kumele sithathe bapho x ilo bathe greater or equal my equal shothi x kumele abe njani ke then sesiyabhala x must be mala benjani nalo 1/27 x wethu lo esimtholile lesi kahle kahle bese kumele uzokwenza ukuthi igraph ibe enkulu kuno -3 kumele benjani nale number 1/27 kumele lingane naye then bazobe lingana vele no minus 3. Mayesemkhulu x shutso x abala seyiba njani shuthi futhi seba greater ku minus 3 shuthi x kumele abe njani leya number kumele abe mkhulu ku minus 3 futhi alingane naye. Then iyona answer yethu le because yale. Then 1 3 marks la.